In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use a calendar view in Monday.com to track deadlines. To get started, open any Monday.com board that already includes either a date column or a timeline column. This is important because the calendar needs a date-based field in order to place your items correctly on the schedule. If your board is already organized with tasks, projects, or deadlines, you're in a great position to turn that information into a more visual calendar format. Once you're inside the board, look for the option that says Add View. This is where Monday.com lets you create different ways to look at the same board data without changing the actual items themselves. Go ahead and click Add View to see the available layout options. From the list of views, choose Calendar View. This will create a calendar-style layout connected to your existing board. It's a useful way to see work mapped out by day, week, or month, especially if you want a clearer picture of upcoming deadlines and scheduling. After selecting Calendar View, Monday.com will ask which date column the calendar should use. Choose the date column or timeline column that matches the deadlines or scheduling information you want to display. This step matters because the calendar will pull directly from that specific field. If your board has more than one date-related column, take a moment to choose the one that best represents when work should appear on the calendar. Once that's set, review the items displayed by date. You should now see your tasks arranged on the calendar based on the dates from your selected column. This makes it much easier to scan upcoming work, notice overlaps, and understand timing at a glance. If something doesn't look right, it usually means the date field on one or more items may need to be updated. If you only want to show certain tasks, use filters to narrow the view. For example, you might want to display only a specific project, team, status, or deadline range. Filtering helps keep the calendar focused and reduces clutter, especially on busy boards with lots of items. When everything looks the way you want, save the view so you can return to it anytime. This gives you a dedicated calendar layout for tracking deadlines without needing to rebuild it each time. From there, you can use the view regularly to monitor due dates. Stay organized and keep your schedule easy to understand at a glance.